Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So a couple of weeks ago we did a video called Close-Ups, and that went reasonably well. I think people enjoyed it. So we're back for a second edition, so this is episode 2. And tomorrow night I'll put out another video with the answers to this one, so you don't have to wait too long. We've just got five photos to have a look at today. I have zoomed in on coins that are currently available in Australian circulation. Okay, so these are coins that can be found each and every day, so hopefully you're familiar with them enough. Try and work out what part of the coin we're looking at, and then hopefully you can identify the actual coin. Alright, so keep your answers private, don't leave them in the comments, just let me know how many you're confident on. That way others won't read your comments and get clues. And yeah, just want to see how you're going. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and we'll do this from time to time. Alright, so this one's been on the screen for a little while now, and you've probably had enough time to have a look at that one. You can always pause and come back to it if you like. So let's have a look at the second one. So can you work it out? What is this? So yeah, what's going on? All these photos are up the correct way. I haven't rotated the images. I haven't changed any of the colors, which is I won't do. Sometimes when you do zoom in on certain coins, the photograph does change color a little bit. So if sometimes it might be a $1 coin or a $2 coin there, and it might look like a 20-cent coin in coloring, but I haven't changed the color at all. I may do that someday, but I'll let you know. But I haven't done that for any of these coins. So let's get on to the third one. So I don't want to make them easy for you guys. I know you guys like a challenge, so that's why we've I don't want to give away too much information on each photo. But have a look, study the coins, and hopefully you should be able to work them out. Some of them are certainly more difficult than others, and I reckon that the second one should be fairly easy. This one might challenge a few. Alright, let's get on to the fourth one. This one's an interesting one. Look forward to hearing your responses on this one. This one might challenge some of you. So yeah, have a look at that one. Very interesting, that one. Alright, you can pause this video if you need more time. Write down your answers, and tomorrow night you'll be able to check them off, and we'll see how you go. Alright, and the very last one for today. What's going on there? It's a very interesting part of a coin. I love these close-up shots because you can really see the detail in each of the coins that the coin designer has gone to, and it's great to be able to zoom in and have a close look. Alright guys, we'll go back to the start just quickly, and we will work our way back through very quickly. There's the first one. What's going on there? Can you work it out? The second one, I reckon some of you will work this one out pretty quickly. Number 3, a little bit more difficult. You'll kick yourself if you don't know it. And number 5 is that one there. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll keep doing it from time to time. And tomorrow night I will put the answers video out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Look forward to bringing another video to you soon.